I'll show you a simple formula like you can see on the slide. We said the number of desired actions taken. The actions could be to fill a sign up form, it could be to buy now, could be to follow a process, whatever your action is. That's one. If you divide that number over the total number of visitors, let's say you have 10 people sign up on your landing page and people that actually clicked on the link to come there are 8,000. That's 10 divided by 1,000. So that's the rate. That's 0.01%. That's about 1% rather. Or 0. Okay, it's 1%, correct. So that's how you calculate the conversion rate. But conversion rate is, there are a couple of things that influence your conversion rate, which is what we want to look at today from a perspective of a business owner. Other people may not be so particular about it, but as a business owner, you will need to pay attention to all these details, because that's where the money comes from. If you don't pay attention to these details, you may be losing out on a lot of money. So we just look at conversion rate optimization, we look at some of the things that this is a bit technical, but I will try not to make it technical. There are a couple of things to look at when you talk about conversion rate optimization. If you go to your website, you could look at technical aspects of conversion, particularly when it comes to your website design, your user interface, user experience. These could really affect your conversion rate, but I don't want to dwell so much on that today. If you want, I may also share some resources with you so that you could learn deeper on how those ones could affect you. But today I want us to look at a couple of other things that affect conversion rate optimization, which are the things we'll be looking at from our outline, which we'll look at sales funnel, how to use that to convert. We'll also look at how to get started with landing pages. We'll look at how to integrate payment so that you can collect money directly. These are the reasons, or these are some of the things, the factors that influences conversion rate. Particularly if your sales funnel is porous, you'd actually lose people somewhere along the line. So one of the things you have to ensure you have a hang of is a good sales funnel. I'll just talk about sales funnel in passing, then we'll do a practical landing page build in just a very simple one. Just add like 3 products and we can build from there. Then we'll integrate a payment gateway and also touch WhatsApp business a bit. Then we'll run ad on Facebook so that you can see how to put all these things together. Yes. So I was talking about how conversion rate functions, but I said I don't want to talk about it in so much of a technical way, but I'll still have to just talk about some of the technicalities. One of the things you need to avoid when it comes to conversion rate is, or one of the things you need to look at rather, is your site speed. If your site, your landing page fast, it's good and okay, you notice that you get more views, you can reach more people, and people can stay on your website a longer time. But if it's slow, if it has a lot of issues, if it's poorly designed, that would affect you greatly. So you have to look at that. The design, if your design is conflicting, let me look for a website that we will just practice with. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I will display this. So let's look at this site together. This is not what I want to show us, but I will just move on. Okay, so let's look at the sites together. We go to digital.net. My network is a bit poor tonight, but let's just go ahead with this. We're talking about the factors that influence your conversion rate. So if you have, or you're directing people to do something on your website, and your website is loading